Want to launch a website without spending a single rupee? Stay tuned because I'll show you how to host your WordPress website completely free. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick guides. To start, open your browser and head to WordPress.com. This platform gives you both free and paid hosting options, but today we'll stick with the free plan. Once you're on the site, sign up and search for a domain name. Look for the ones ending in .wordpress.com. These are the free ones. After choosing your domain, select the free plan when WordPress shows you the pricing options. This plan includes basic hosting features, perfect for beginners or personal blogs. From here, WordPress will guide you step by step. You can customize your design, publish your first post, and explore your dashboard. Sure, the free plan has some limits, like no custom plugins or storage upgrades, but it's the best way to practice and get your site live without spending money. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've got a fully working WordPress website online, completely free. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to start their own site.